The ifs expression is in the category other and has varying results for the data type. The purpose of this expression is to return different values based on a series of conditions. The ifs expression has up to an infinite number of parameters that each come in pairs. That being said, there's a minimum of 2 parameters in this expression. The first parameter, and every other one following, is a condition that will determine if then this is returned. The then this parameter is the return value if the preceding parameter, true, or the conditional, evaluates to true. There can be as many pairs of these as you want, with a minimum of 2. The result is the then this parameter following the first conditional to return true. If none of the conditionals return true, then the expression returns blank. There is no way, using just the ifs expression, to return a default value. Let's look at an example. Here we see the ifs expression, and we have a few conditionals and 2 return types. The first condition is here. If today equals January 1st, 2021. If this returns true, then the ifs expression returns Happy New Year. If it's not, we look at the next condition. Next, we look at the condition today equals 12/25/2021. If this is true, we return Merry Christmas. If it's not, we look for the next parameter. Unfortunately, there's no more conditions in this expression, meaning that since today is March 3rd, 2021, this expression would return blank. I hope this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out AppSheetTraining.com.